Let's talk about your project. The first step is to see if outsourcing to Asia is right for your business. You can use the contact form to get in touch and we'll set up a convenient time to talk. Once we commence work together, you'll specify and we'll find the suppliers anywhere in Asia. Remember, you'll have full access to supplier information, and when you order you'll pay your suppliers directly. The third stage is when we audit suppliers, negotiate terms and production starts. The cycle concludes as we inspect the goods and coordinate delivery worldwide. One of the key benefits of working with Dominion House is our ability to provide a high level of oversight and control over the supply chain. This can include everything from sourcing raw materials to final delivery of the finished product. We work closely with suppliers to ensure that they are meeting the necessary quality and safety standards, and build in routine quality inspections from pre-production sampling to pre-shipment checks. A key advantage of our service is the negotiation of better prices and terms with suppliers. Dominion House also coordinates all logistics with trusted partners to streamline goods delivery. Dominion House is able to help clients establish and maintain a secure and flexible supply network by providing a range of services to reduce costs, improve quality outcomes, and reduce risk. We do this by providing a high level of oversight over the supply chain for our clients in manufacturing, design, and construction. Established in 2005, Dominion House provides product sourcing and contract manufacturing services with quality management programs for our clients in manufacturing, design, and construction. We look forward to assisting you with your next project.